Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. It's Friday, right?
It is.
It is Friday. I don't think Josh is awake.
I've been driving we're at our clients, in front of our clients, close to it.
Yeah, we are again getting ready to start our day, but wanted to just give you guys a shout out. I think it's been just over a week since we did our last video, so we wanted to send something out real quick. And we need your help with something. We are looking for clients still in Oregon and Washington. And so with that, we are going to be giving whoever signs up first in each of the states, we're going to be giving you an incentive. So if you know someone that needs help in Oregon and Washington, let us know. Those people are going to be getting an incentive when they sign up. And then also, we need your help with what type of tips that you guys want to receive through these videos. Our last video, we did a video on how to get started with organizing, which is a great start. But now we need to know what type of tips you are looking for. So whether you want tips on organizing your office or the garage or your bathroom or whatever it is, let us know. And we will do a video on that. And then also, are you gonna say anything, or are you just
doing fine?
I'm
just sitting here looking pretty.
Are you just gonna sit there and look pretty?
I'm just looking pretty. I'm doing all right.
See, I told you he's not really awake yet. Hey, Josh, what's up?
Nice name.
Yeah, nice name. Yeah, this is Josh. In case you didn't know. Oh, hey, Sandy, how are you? Yeah, everyone can use declutter in their lives. Yes, thank you. Thanks for sharing, Josh. We really appreciate it. Yeah, so this is Josh, and I'm Denikka, in case, for those of you that don't know us. And again, so those that haven't watched our first couple of videos, we are going to be taking our business on the road, and we're going to be traveling to different states. So the first states that we're going to is Oregon and Washington, and we will be leaving on the 17th, so that is coming up soon. And so we'll be leaving the what town are we in? San Diego area for a little bit, but then we'll be coming back. So some of our clients were afraid that we're not coming back, but we're going to be coming back for a couple months, and then we're going to take off again. So no worries to the people here. And I wanted to also give a shout out to our clients here. They are so amazing and treat us like family. So I wanted to say thank you so much to everyone that has been so welcoming to us. And we really look forward to our days and really love our clients.
Which is about all of them.
Which is all of them. Yeah, everyone is super amazing. So we're very thankful for that. But anyway, I think that is all for this morning. We do have to get started in a few minutes here. So again, just let us know what kind of tips you're looking for out there. And if you could share this video, comment, and like it, we would so much appreciate it. Thanks, you guys, and have a great weekend.